Now to an important health issue that American families across the country are struggling with, heart disease. It is the leading cause of death in America, with thousands dying from heart problems daily. It is now American Heart Health Month, the American Heart Association, raising awareness around the severity of heart diseases. Here to tell us what we can do about this problem is, look who's here, Fox News medical correspondent, Dr. Marc Siegel. Good to see you, Dr. Siegel.
Well, it's great to see you.
So what are some of the tips for reducing heart disease and stroke, right?
Right, heart disease and stroke, and it's not getting any better. It's still over 600,000 deaths per year, which is #1 in the United States for both men and women. 25% of all deaths are from heart disease, and especially starting to hit young people. And the reason that this is occurring, I think #1 on the list, is even though we're less smoking, 1 out of 5 Americans still smoking, but it's getting less, it's weight and sedentary behavior, as you told me before we came on, is so true. Weight. 2/3 of all Americans are overweight right now. In 1990, according to Centers for Disease Control, it was 1/2. So more Americans are overweight, more Americans are sitting most of the day. So even if we recommend, as CDC does, that you get 2.5 hours a week or more of exercise, that's not enough. I want that, but I want us to be walking around all the time.
It's also striking that 1 in 4 women die from heart disease in the U.S. Wow. So when you talk about sitting, how many hours a day are we allowed to sit?
Well, it also has to do with in what stretch. So I'd say in one stretch, you should not be sitting more than an hour or two. When you get more than 1 or 2 hours sitting in one stretch, I think you're starting a pattern that you can't reverse. By the way, the reason that women have this problem, I want to say, and this is slightly controversial, but most scientists agree, it's because estrogen wears off. So younger women don't have the problem, but after menopause, women have less estrogen, and estrogen is protecting the heart of women. So the curve goes like this. Younger men die of heart disease, older women die of heart disease.
Well, what can women do if you're older and you're losing
You should be aware. So women out there should be aware. When you pass menopause, that's when you have to exercise more. That's when your cholesterol has to go down. That's when your diet has to get better. That's when you don't want to smoke. You don't want to smoke ever, but especially as you get older.
It's so hard. I mean, I don't even look at the weight scale. It just terrifies me. But, it's a cold winter months. It's hard to get to the gym, right? To get outside and go. It can be challenging. So what can people do?
Well, let me tell you one tip there. The word addiction. Exercise is addictive. What does that mean? If you went to the gym yesterday, you're going to want to go today.
That's true.
If you went today, you're going to want to go tomorrow. You'll bundle up and make it across the pathway to the gym. If you haven't gone in weeks, you sit there saying, I got to go to the gym. I got to go to the gym. I always say, my patients ask me, Liz, how often should I exercise? How many days a week? You know what I say? 7. Because if you say 7, you're going to end up doing 5.
Yeah.
If you say 5, you're going to end up doing 3.
I like to go to watch Judge Judy on the treadmill. Or, just to watch Jeopardy.
Exactly.
On the treadmill.
Make a plan. What are you going to watch at the gym? And then diet. Fruit and vegetables is key. Cut down on animal fats. Cut down on processed foods.
And sugar.
75% of the sugar and salt we have in our diets, we add. We're adding it. We're still adding it. Well, we're adding it in terms of processed food stuff, or at restaurants they add salt. So, in other words, if you don't put the salt shaker at your table, and you don't eat at a restaurant where you know they added salt or sugar, both of them bad, and you eat more fruits and vegetables, if you simply eat more fruit and eat more vegetables, you're going to do better.
Do you believe in vitamins?
I believe in certain vitamins. We have a lot of vitamin D deficiency in the United States.
That's true.
We have a lot of vitamin B complex deficiency.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of that, and B12. So it depends on the vitamin. Your doctor should test you for that.
Great information.
Vitamin D is great.
Great, yes, that's
Stop
true.
Smoking, exercise more, even when you're not officially exercising, and go to that plant-based diet.
And take vitamin D instead of salt. Great to see you,
Good to see you.
Siegel. You have a good weekend. We love having you on.
You too.